Why don't you be a good masked man and ride off into the night? This time, I'll clean up after you.
He fenced with his umbrella? How droll. This penguin will absolutely make your party.
You know, it was quite touching, actually. It's not often that a man rushes to my rescue. Unfortunately, he wants to see me again.
Who's that, Veronica? I've heard you're running around with a dangerous crowd.
Well, keep it under your hat, Brucey, but I've just snagged the penguin for my party.
Why?
For the entertainment, Dodo. Can't you just see their faces when that stuffed capon waddles in?
I'd think twice if I were you.
Oh, lighten up, Wayne. After all, he is NOKD. Not our kind, dear.
Better be careful that your little joke doesn't come home to roost.
So you're the president of Gotham First Federal. I hope you've beefed up your security. Those time locks were easy to circumnavigate, as I recall.
Sir, you leave me at a loss for words.
I certainly left you at a loss for funds. Lovely dress. Prison chic? Makes her look like a gathering of Cell Block 3. Say, isn't that Mayor Hill? Hey, Hammy!
He's beautiful. Can you imagine tomorrow's papers? There's not enough ink to print all his faux pas.
I don't know, Pierce. I've got a bad feeling about this.
Admiring the Vreeland jewelry, Mr. Cobblepot?
Ah, Mr. Wayne, isn't it? Actually, I was thinking of adding this to her collection.
I'm sorry. Maybe the rumors of your reform are not exaggerated.
Anything's possible when love is involved. If you'll excuse me.
Oh, will you relax? You've done him a favor.
But Pierce...
You said it yourself. That fat bird would never get invited to a party like this. Not with those clothes, that waddle, those flippers.
Oswald!
Did she mention my fine Roman nose?
Who was that?
What happened?
What's going on? Good heavens!
Pierce?
He took her.